Hello, boys and girls. My name is Inspector Tom Petty, and I work for the Harris County Fire Marshal's Office. Today, we're going to learn more about fire safety. We'll learn how to stay away from things that are hot, how to cool a burn, and when to stop, drop, and roll if fire gets in our clothes. We all know to stay away from hot things because hot things can burn us. Did you know that things that don't have a flame can also be hot? We can get burned outside by staying out in the sun too long, and the sun is way up in the sky. We can also get a burn by touching a barbecue grill. Even though the fire inside is out, the outside is still very hot, so we need to stay away from it. Inside our homes, there are things that can burn us too. Many kids don't know that water coming out of a faucet, liquids, and foods can be dangerous. If the water is too hot in our bathtub or our shower, that could burn us. If a hot liquid like cocoa or soup spills on us, we could get burned. There could be food cooking on the stove or the countertop that could hurt us. That's why we stay away from hot things. If you don't know if something is hot, stay away and ask a grown-up. But what if we're careful and we still get a burn? The best thing to do is cool it off by running the burn under cool water. Now, you need to do this for about 5 minutes. Don't use ice or ice cold water. That won't help. Just use cool water. You can also put a clean, cool, wet cloth on top of it. And then you or a grown-up may have to call 911 to get more help. But what happens? Even if we're really careful, fire still gets on our clothes. Well, there's a simple way to put the fire out. First, stop where you are. Do not run. You'll only make the flames bigger, and we don't want that. Drop to the ground and lay flat with your legs straight out. Cover your eyes, nose, and mouth with your hands. Roll over and over, back and forth until the flames are out. This may take a couple of times, but that's okay. Then get help from a grown-up. Now, if you burn your finger or you hear the smoke alarm beeping, that's not when you stop and drop and roll. We only stop, drop, and roll when our clothes are on fire. So, now let's review what we've just learned. We want to stay away from things that are hot. Even though there's no fire, hot things can still burn us. Number 2, cool a burn with cool running water. And last, if fire gets on our clothes, we stop, drop, and roll over and over, back and forth until the fire is out. If we remember these safety lessons, we can all be safe. This is Inspector Petty with the Harris County Fire Marshal's Office. Have a good day.